this is an experiment. What I've done is I've asked AI, ChatGPT, to make a list of the questions that teachers ask new teachers at the beginning of their careers, and I have not looked at them, and I'm going to answer them in real time, and I'm going to do it quickly. So let's see how this goes. I've got them here. I've printed them out, and I'm going to start. It says 100 top real questions new teachers ask, but I'm not doing 100, I'm just doing 10. So let's see. And please, this is just my opinion. So new teachers, if you don't like my answers, please forgive me. This is from myself, from my 30 years of being a teacher. My name is Lourens Breitenbach. Please subscribe to the channel if this is the type of thing that you're interested in, to learn how to be a teacher. Let's see. Okay, question 1. This is, by the way, the first group of questions is about confidence and identity. Confidence and identity, feeling prepared and professional. These questions have been put together by AI. I'm going to answer them. No AI answers here, AI questions. Are we ready? Right, let's see. Okay. I'm a little nervous because I don't know what I'm going to say. Here we go. Am I really ready for this? Well, you won't know if you're ready for teaching until you get into it. The only experience you have is being in class when you were a school child. So being ready for something is something relative. Question 2. What if I mess up in front of students? You're going to mess up in front of students. You're going to mess up in front of students a lot. And you're going to have to learn how to laugh at yourself. You can't take yourself too seriously. And you're definitely going to mess up. Just make peace with the fact that you're going to mess up. The thing is, there aren't second takes with kids. So they will laugh at you and they will judge you and they will shame. Sometimes they will feel embarrassed with you. But if you're a real person and you say, okay, guys, I messed up, let's start over, they will forgive you. But you have to be real. Question 3. How long until I feel like I know what I'm doing? It takes a long time to become a good teacher. I took years. I was a terrible educator. I couldn't handle discipline. I started at a school with black kids being taught by white Afrikaans guys in English. So it was a really interesting situation. 45 kids per class. I couldn't connect with the kids. I'll make a video about that one day where I tell you how I learned how to connect with kids. But it takes a long time, and it's going to take at least 2 or 3 years before you know what you're doing. You're going to have great lessons and poor lessons. Fake it till you make it. But in our career, unfortunately, you can't fake it. Kids will see through you. Number 4, will students respect me? Interesting one. Respect goes both ways. You can't force them to respect you by shouting at them. You won't be able to make them respect you. The respect will come from you treating them beautifully. Good morning, guys. Can we please sit down? Thank you. Politeness. Treating the kids with dignity. Don't have an ego when you're a teacher. Be real, and they will be real with you. But students will not always respect you, and you're going to get tested, definitely. Number 5, how do I stop feeling insecure around veteran teachers? You have to make friends with colleagues. You have to make friends with people. You have to learn from them. You can't be fazed by veteran teachers being in your space. They have to be the people who help you. So I would just ask for help all the time. Ask them what's their best way to get the kids quiet. Ask them how they will get the kids to settle down. Ask them what's their best trick to get the kids to cooperate. Veteran teachers are not your enemy. We're all in the same game, especially in the staff room. Pick their brains, find out what they can teach you. Number 6, what if I'm not a good teacher yet? No, teaching is something that you learn. I said to someone the other day, you're never going to say to someone who's becoming a doctor that they're going to do surgery on you the first year that they are studying, or after completing their course. You're not going to expect them to be the best doctors. It takes practice. You have to learn. You learn by doing. You find your groove. You find, and then of course there's so many resources these days. Electronic resources using visualizers, PowerPoints. But I find that talking and chalking is still valid. Just connect with those kids, get them busy, have those worksheets ready. Number 7, how do I build confidence without pretending? Same thing. You have to be real. You stand in front of them. You have to be spiritually and emotionally and mentally strong. You have to put yourself out there like an actor. Actors are very vulnerable on a stage, but if they are real and you believe them, you buy into the character. You buy into the show. And when you've got your kids on your side because you're telling them, you know what we're going to do here today, this is really important. Guys, come. Let's write this down. Write this down. This is massive. And it's going to be in your test. So let's see what we're talking about. You have to put up a bit of a show. You have to be authentic. And you have to put your heart on the line. Number 8, what if parents judge me for being new? Oh, parents will judge you. They will go, he doesn't know what he's doing. Or she, this new one, I don't know where they found her. People will judge you. But if you treat their kids with respect, if you're a fun person to be around, if you're someone who loves the kids authentically and you learn their names and you get to know them, they will love you back. They will love you back if you're authentic and if you do the right thing by teaching them properly, by being prepared, by having the material ready, and by connecting with those learners. Number 9, should I pretend to be confident until I actually am? The answer is yes. Number 10, how do I present myself as a professional from day one? Well, you have to dress the part. You have to look sharp, you have to stand up straight, you have to smile, and you have to be proud. It's like being a soldier on a parade ground. Like my body is like I'm slouching right now. But if I'm in front of a class, my chin is up and I talk straight I look straight into their eyes, and you have to be strong. You have to be firm. You have to have a presence. And you have to know what you're doing. You have to be prepared. When the kids walk into your class, have those worksheets ready. And better yet, have it on the desk. And you just tell them, start. We'll talk now. And you'll see. It's going to be awesome. There's the first 10 questions. I hope that was helpful. Please click that like button and subscribe. There's going to be more episodes like this. And let's see how this goes further. Thank you for watching.